Hello, good food lovers. Welcome to Goz's Kitchen. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click your bell so you don't miss any good recipe from my kitchen. Today we are making something healthy, something hearty and absolutely mouth-watering, and that is roasted mackerel fish with fresh veggie salad. Now I'm just scoring the fish slightly just to let the spices soak in, and I'm using olive oil and some salt, some pepper and some Suya pepper as well, and I'm going to massage this into this fish very well. I'm adding the cayenne pepper with Suya pepper and the salt, so I'm rubbing it in very well together with the olive oil and some salt. These are just a few ingredients I'm going to be using. You can use any spices that you love. So after rubbing in all these seasonings, I'm just going to leave it to rest for like 5 minutes, and I'm going to be putting it in the oven to bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. Yes. After resting the fish for like 10 minutes, so I'm now going to be taking it into the oven to roast. After 30 minutes, the fish is well roasted and it looks so golden and so beautiful, so juicy. So I'm not going to be preparing the vegetable like the onion, the tomatoes, and all the veggies that we are going to use to enjoy this fish. Let's keep watching. So now I'm going to be slicing this purple onion. This is the onion that I usually love to eat with the fish, with suya or whatever. It tastes so different and it's very, very medicinal. I'm adding the sliced cabbage and carrots. You can as well use any other vegetables of your choice, but I prefer cabbage because it gives a very nice taste with this fish or with any roasted meat. Here I'm adding some sweet grapes for that extra taste and sweetness. Yes, I think extra suya pepper will go very well with this fish, but it's not compulsory. If you don't have suya pepper, this will still go well with everything you have already. This is a recipe that you can just make for yourself if you don't want to eat a high-calorie food. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Goz's Kitchen, and share this recipe. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know how you like this recipe if you are going to try it. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.